Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the videos.
Hello, welcome to Ganesh IAS Academy. This is the special session. In this session, we are going to discuss about the previous year questions. Okay, in this, we are mainly focused on the economic questions. Okay, so this session is purely focused on how to approach the upcoming prelims and how to crack it in the more easier way. Okay, how to find the easiest questions and also how to find the key within the question. Okay, and also how to eliminate the statements. Okay, by that going for an answer. Okay, all these things will be discussed here. Okay, so let's begin the session. Okay, consider the following statement. The question is purely focused on the coal sector. Okay, see, consider the following statements. Okay, coal sector was nationalized by the government of India under Indira Gandhi government. Okay, now the coal block are allowed on the lottery basis. Okay, till recently India imported a coal to meet the shortages of the domestic supply, but now India is self-sufficient in coal production. Okay, see these kinds of questions you can answer it easily. Okay, I always says that there is certain key within the question. Okay, this question have that key. Okay, so to unlock that key you need to have certain basic knowledge about the coal sector. Okay, see, first thing you have to know is the coal mining is mainly it is on the Jharkhand and Chhattisgarh. Okay, see, but still the issue with the coal sector is we are actually have the large supply of coal only on the non-coking coals. Okay, still India is lacking on the coking coals. Okay, which means it is the purity level of the coal is very low. Okay, that is the major issue of the India's coal sector. Okay, so the sulfur content in the coal will be higher. Okay, so the coking coal means that the sulfur content will be less. Okay, that is a lack in India. Okay, this is the major concern about the India. Okay, India's coal sector. Okay, so if you have this basic knowledge, okay, with this basic knowledge you can easily eliminate the statement 3. Till recently, India imported the coal to meet the shortages of the domestic supply, but now India is self-sufficient in coal production. Okay, it says that India is self-sufficient in coal production, which means India is have the abundance of coking coal also. This is wrong. Okay, because the natural resources we already explored. Okay, in India, what are the natural resources are there? We already explored. Okay, which says that India is lacking in the coking coals. Okay, so India have the abundant supply of non-coking coal, but India is lack in the coking coal supply. Okay, such a scenario, how will you say that this statement is right? Okay, self-sufficiency of the coal production, this is itself wrong. Okay, so by the way, you just eliminate the statement 3. Okay, then you will get the answer. See, 2 and 3, 3 only, 1, 2, 3. So eliminate all the 3, you can easily go for answer. So the answer is A, 1 only. So this is what I am saying. Okay, UPSC, if they are making a question somewhat tougher, means they provide the key within the question itself. Okay, so you have to find that key. Okay, to unlock the question, and you can easily go for a correct answer. Okay, so this is the major thing about this question. Okay, such a way the question will be created. Okay, this is the process followed by the UPSC prolonged time. Okay, so you have to find the key in that question itself. See, and then see, I don't know about whether in Indira Gandhi period only the nationalization was done or not. Okay, but as per my knowledge, there was certain nationalization happened in the Indira Gandhi period. Okay, see, next, the coal blocks are allocated in the lottery basis. That thing is also I don't know. Okay, but I surely know that India is not self-sufficient. Okay, so such a way the UPSC panel itself making certain question that the aspirant will know about this third statement. Okay, Even though he don't know but first two statements, he can easily find the third statement. Okay, but for you have to find the third statement is whether right or wrong. Means you have to find, means you have to be in calm manner. Okay, you have to be psychologically in calm manner to answer this question. Okay, if you get panic, okay, by just looking into the statement, it is nationalized in the period of Indira Gandhi, means I don't know how to answer it. Okay, it is based on the lottery species, means how is there is any no auction system or there. So if such a way, if you get into the panic, means you can't answer this question. Okay, for that only they just paste the key in the third statement. Okay, to check your attitude towards the question. Okay, so this is the major motive of the UPSC. Okay, they need the person, okay, who are in a calm and clean manner. Okay, the mind should be calm to face any other situation. Okay, so UPSC is want that people only. Okay, so the question itself reflecting that itself. Okay, so the third statement is wrong, so you can easily say that answer is A. Okay, see, so I also listed certain data related to the coal sector. Okay, India has the fourth largest coal reserve in the world. Okay, so fourth largest coal reserve. Okay, please note it, it is more important to the prelims. Okay, India is the second largest importer of the coal in the world. Okay, so from where we are importing lot of coal is from Indonesia. Okay, first we are importing major coal from Indonesia. Next is from the Australia, and third is from the South Africa. Okay, so from first we are importing major coal from Indonesia, then from Australia, then from South Africa. Okay, and we are the second largest importer of the coal in the world. Okay, the first largest importer of the coal is China. Okay, so these are certain data related to the coal sector. Okay, so with that you can easily go for a prelims. Okay, so my major motive behind this addressing this question is to you have to be more calm to approach any question. Okay, because the question itself have certain key. Okay, to find that key you have to be in a calm manner. Okay, so that is the thing, you have to focus more on that question. Okay, thank you.